Here I have the Secondary Education Teachers Learning Environments PowerPoint. It consists of only 2 slides, but I've come up with an idea of how students could possibly um, take into their recording of their study hours or how they're going to do it. It's not personally my idea, but I use it in my sorority and I think it's an awesome thing to use. So when we're in a study location, we have an app. It's called the Gen System. So I'm going to scroll over to that. So this is what the Gen System is going to look like. We have a home page, which is right here. And then we have over here where we have a bunch of different options that we can pick from. And then once you click on the one, there's one that says My Study Hours. You click on the one that says My Study Hours, which I am circling right here. So I clicked on it, and then this one's going to pop up. So you see all the different locations that you are possibly able to study in. So for instance, the Ag Admin Building, Lilly, Hall, Smith, Walk, any of the libraries, they're all study locations. And for this week, you can see that I've gotten almost 5 hours of studying, but you can just record your time of studying, and I think that when you're finding your best place to study in these locations, that it really helps to show that you are making progress with yourself. So helping to do this is recording your study hours and making sure that you are studying properly.